I guess this is Praneeth, and today I'm going to share my knowledge on HashMap. Let's rock the HashMap data structure. Coming to HashMap, what is a HashMap? A HashMap is basically a data structure that contains the data in the form of key value pair. We can say that the key value pair is stored in the form of ordered pair. Coming to the uses of HashMap, here the uses of HashMap is that many operations like searching updation takes just time complexity of O of 1, which decreases the time complexity drastically when compared to other algorithms. Also, if we see in HashMap, we can access the element using the value. This is about HashMap, and declaring a HashMap is in this way, where the syntax is HashMap. In Angular braces, we will mention the data type of the key, and then we will mention the data type of the value. After that, we will give name to the HashMap, and here we are declaring the HashMap dynamically. We are allocating the memory dynamically. After this, technical rounds we are being asked about HashMap frequently, not directly but indirectly. Coming to the HashMap example, here let us take an example of 6 students, and we have to get the roll number of these 6 students. Then here the HashMap plays a key role. Here if we see, I am giving the key as name and value as the roll number of the particular student. Here if we see, the key is having name Praneeth and the roll number as 1. If we want to access the roll number of this student Praneeth, then we have to write print statement as map name dot get of the key value, the key, then we will get the roll number of the student. Let us solve a problem which is getting the frequency of each element present in an array using HashMap. Here I am declaring the array and I am entering the elements into array which is of size 5. After that I am going to declare an HashMap named map in order to get the frequency of each element. Here I am going to enter the array elements into the key, as well as the frequency of that particular element will be entered into the value pair value. After that, here I am going to enter the frequency of each element. If the element is already in the array, that means if it is repeating, I am going to use this method named the map.contains key. Here I am going to increment the value or the frequency of the element by 1. Here it is. I should there is another method called map.put, which is inserting the element into the hash map. I'm going to insert that particular element with incrementing the frequency of the element previously. Here I am going to add 1. It is the first time we are visiting that element. In that condition, we will insert the element by frequency of 1. Here you can see. That's it. And here we can see that I am printing the frequency of each array element, and the frequency can be obtained by using the method map.get of the particular element. Here in this way we can get the frequency of each element. Let's check out our code, and if we see, now let us compare it. Here there is no error, so it's good. I'm going to enter the elements 111 and 22. Here you can see frequency of 1 is 3, frequency of 1 is 3, and the code is correct. In this way, we can solve the frequency of elements present in an array using a hash map.